Hey everyone, it's Jim Hamill, and we talk a lot about the Pocono towns of Honesdale and Hawley on Pocono Television Network, but smack dab in the middle on Route 6 is White Mills, and behind me, the art factory of White Mills. So we want to introduce you to the owners and explore the historic property here along Route 6 in Wayne County in White Mills. Come on along.
Morning, Jim. Welcome to the Art Factory of White Mills.
Thanks for having us, Jerry. Would you show us around?
Certainly, come on in. What we have here is a gallery that's built for local artists. And we have over 70 artists. There's over 1,000 pieces.
Just meet Jerry Davis and his wife Cindy at their art factory of White Mills, and you'll soon learn how much they love art and love sharing it with others.
This is our classroom. We offer workshops. We do artist meetings here. We entertain from here.
The historic building is home to workshops for all ability levels, and around every corner is a new find, a different take on artistic expression. And this couple, owners of the art factory for a dozen years now, wouldn't have it any other way.
We're very passionate about it. This is our life. From May through December, we're open 7 days a week from 10 to 5, and it's Jerry and I that run the gallery, so we are here 7 days a week.
During winter, the factory does close on Wednesdays, but every other day of the week is another chance to appreciate a different artist, a different medium, and soak in all the history inside this former textile factory now filled with works of art.
The building's 110 years old. It was a meeting hall back when it was created. And from what we know, they had roller skating upstairs and basketball games and sock hop dancing and public theater downstairs.
From meeting hall to garment factory and now art hub for art lovers and artists. All while the art scene keeps growing in neighboring Honesdale and Hawley, the art factory is right in the middle of it all.
While the artist is waiting to sell their art, we try to help them by offering classes in their genre. So we offer acrylic painting, alcohol ink, acrylic pour, printmaking. What am I forgetting?
Stained glass.
Stained glass, oh, sorry.
Right.
Jerry and Cindy are chuckling because Jerry's stained glass is here too. His passion for it shines, and the couple strives to make sure people take notice and stop in to appreciate all the art and the community they've built here.
We meet and greet everybody. You know, this is a real mom and pop business, but this is our home. This is an extension of who Jerry and I are, so I think it really reflects that. And so when you come in, we strike up a conversation. We know where you're from. We know how many kids you have. We know why you're here. You know, we try to guide you. We tell the artist's story for them because they're not here to tell it themselves. Hopefully when you leave saying, oh, that was a really nice experience.
Find your art factory experience in person or give them a follow on social media at the Art Factory of White Mills. Jim Hamill for the Pocono Television Network.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains magazine.